Hi, I'm Barrett, machine tool instructor in Indian Capital, Muskogee, Oklahoma. One thing I want to talk about today is safe practices and currently things in place that we have in the machine tool. Go over some items that covers for safety. And the first item I want to cover here in the classroom is, if you'll see up here, we have a folder up here about bloodborne pathogens. Another thing that we have here in the classroom is material safety data sheets. In this book right here, it covers items that we have that might be hazardous, and what the hazardous is what it covers right here in the shop. If I can open it up, I'll show you what a material safety data sheet looks like. This particular one covers the chemical and the type of chemical that it is, and gives you all the information, the hazards and everything involved with dealing with that particular chemical. We have locations, or in this case they need to go to for a tornado shelter, and also we have chosen routes to evacuate the building in case of a fire or needed evacuation for some reason here in the school. Another item that I like to bring up is throughout the shop, and I'll be showing many of them, is safety signs or safety posters dealing with different things throughout the shop. This one kind of gives you kind of an idea about what not to do, horseplay. As we come out into the shop, in the office area, I have a first aid kit, band-aids, and all the items that may be needed for first aid. I also keep on hand a biohazard bag for a cleanup, just in case if it's needed, if someone gets hurt really bad and you have to clean up for bloodborne passages. I also have a first aid kit. In this kit right here, there's items that deal with CPR. There's blankets and stuff, the material you need, mouthpiece, and everything you would need to do hand CPR. I also have a kit, a small kit that's real handy to have. This kit right here can be taken right to the location. This is a deal with someone if it hurts really bad in your shop, gets cut really bad, you have gloves, gauze, and packs to deal with a hazardous involved cut. Out here in my shop area, as you come out into the shop, you'll see marked yellow lines, and anyone that comes into the shop beyond this point that I'm pointing at here has to have safety glasses. You can see I have a sign right here that says eye protection must be worn beyond this area. I also, in the shop, we have a billboard with information on it. There's some stuff on here about OSHA that we cover. Also about placing and cleaning up the shop, tools after class, and also a sign up here reminding them, hey guys, this is a machine shop. No running, no horseplay in the shop. To walk over this way, I have a box here, and this box is set up for anything like it needs to be locked out, lockout, tag out procedures, and also teach safe procedures on how to dismantle, energize a machine so it could be worked on in the shop, and teach that. This is a small tool room We keep our hand tools, some tools, drills, and stuff in it that's needed to be used in the shop. In the location, there's 3 places in the shop. It has emergency kill switches. This one's mounted here close to the tool room. We have another one mounted over here by the classroom. And then we have another one mounted over in the back of the shop, going out the back door. We have a workstation in the shop to wash stuff up in, and also have a eye wash station to wash your eyes out if you got something, material or foreign material in your eyes. It's good to have in the shop flammable cabinets. Flammable cabinet also has signs on it dealing with the type of flammable material that this door needs to be shut at all times, and anything flammable or flammable type chemical is kept in this cabinet. I want to point out this is one of the locations where one of the fire extinguishers is. This area right here is a storage area for material. You also have signs on it designating a material storage area. One of the items that I want to point out, things that you see that you shouldn't see. One is the brooms in the proper place. No, they're not. You notice the floor is clean, swept, it's kept clean. Over in the grinding area, I have put some signs up here. Talk about different types of wheels that's on these grinders. It's danger. With this particular grinder, we have it's set up. If it don't spark, don't grind it. It has a green wheel on it. The green wheels are specially designed for grinding carbide tools only. Here's another one telling about this grinder, the same thing. Where the green wheels are is strictly only for carbide grinding material. Also, one thing that very safety minded is to teach is about the electrical panels and what kind of power you have in your shop. And this is has a hazardous sign up here to let everybody know that this is a very highly dangerous area, and these doors are only supposed to be opened by responsible personnel to deal with electrical problems. I want to bring up some proper things about PPE in the machine shop. You see this young man's running the machine right now. He has what I say the proper PPE on. He has his safety glasses on. He's operating the machine very safely. The other young man right here standing beside him shouldn't really be like this. You see, he has dark glasses on, and he shouldn't have those dark glasses on. That's improper PPE. Okay, another thing about I want to explain to you. You see this young man here? He has his proper glasses on, but you notice the pants he's wearing. This is not really the proper PPE you should be wearing in a machine shop. Shorts is a no-no. You also kind of got his shirt tail sleeves out. They should be tucked in tight or close to your body. These are things that you need to think about. Proper PPE to be worn in a machine shop. Also, I want to bring up, it doesn't hurt to have a lot of signs in your shop helping reminding people avoid slips. One thing that causes slip in the floor, concrete floor, is oil, water, or coolant or something gets spilled in the floor. proper thing you should do is clean it up. That concludes the walk around covering safety things, safety tips, and items in the machine tool